How could you employ a girl with such magnitude of hip? If you can cook if you are bagonelo, do you want her to snatch your husband from you? What is wrong with you?
I'm going to the office.
Today is Saturday, aren't you aware?
She did that woman, the way she did it. I should say she did suspect something about me.
What did you say?
I said, what did you cook?
Do you know I haven't eaten anything cooked by my wife in the last 1 year?
If a woman or any woman tries that with me, I will decapitate her body. Bali ya bali.
I will cut into pieces and take you to your parents' house. If I know of you.
Nothing, you do not do it. I'm not doing anything.
Ken is regretting what he did to Abel, and you want to regret your own for the rest of your life.
I don't play with my money. Do you know why? Because I am a tiger with a pretty face.
What is it now? Do I know you? Wait, what is your problem? My friend, get out of my way. I'm talking to you, want to pass. Are you mad?
Jesus.
Kata don't boss for this house. What's happened? Madam Mama don't.
Someone is after your life.
Someone is after my life. For what reason? What have I done?
Inspector, can you hear me? Yes. I just drove into my compound and I saw my gate wide open.
The person that killed him was not coming for him, but for you.
For me?
Yes.
Let's discuss, reasonably, like matured people.
Stupid people don't reason.
So you're working out on me already, Akwaya?
That's how stupid people behave.
But I believe women are like clay pots and you're the potter. You should mold your woman the way you want her to be.
You're not leaving your husband, even after everything he's doing. You're not advising me. Am I your mate?
Sarah, don't push me. Don't push me to do what I do not want to do. Please.